The cane toad is a large terrestrial true toad native to South Central America, and it's also been introduced to various islands. It is also called the giant toad and the marine toad. Cane toads live in sand dunes, coastal grasslands, and they also inhabit urban and agricultural areas. Cane toads eat insects, spiders, small toads, mice, and plants, and they can also be attracted to pet food. Cane toads have big glands behind their eyes that have milky white poison. If a predator tries to eat a cane toad, the poison will taste awful and it can even kill the predator. The cane toad is an introduced species. They were first introduced to Australia in 1935 to control cane beetles who were damaging sugarcane crops. The cane toad has also been introduced to various Caribbean islands, the Philippines, Fiji, New Guinea, and the United States. Cane toads live for 10 to 15 years in the wild, and some live for 20 years in captivity. Cane toads are interesting creatures, and they are one of God's amazing animals.